used to watch this perfect couple. They were the embodiment of true love.
I want to start my life over again.
I saw her. I saw her from the train. She was with this man. Just for a second.
Is this her?
To a woman so heartless.
Can you tell me where you were Friday night?
I was in the city, and then I went to visit my husband.
You mean your ex-husband? It's my understanding that the woman who has gone missing was his nanny.
Hey, Tom.
Hey, Megan.
Rachel, why are you here?
Because I'm helping find Megan.
I don't think you're helping anybody.
I saw your wife with someone.
Megan has a therapist. Is that who you saw?
What happened that night in the tunnel? Tell me the truth.
I read once that when a train hits, it can rip the clothes right off of you.
How could you be so heartless?
You were seen in the area that night.
How could you be so heartless?
Did you murder Megan Hipwell?
No.
How could you be so heartless?
Just tell me what happened that night.
How could you be so heartless?
Why are you here?
Because I'm afraid of myself.